So this video will help you with task 14. So let's say the price of a pair of sneakers is $120 now, and in 1 week the price will drop to $110. So if the price continues to drop by the same amount, what would a function be to represent the situation? So what that's meaning is, after 1 week, the price is $110. That means it dropped $10. So if the price always dropped by $10, if you're changing by the same thing every time, that's a linear function. So we want to think y equals mx plus b. Your m is what you're changing by each time. So we're going down 10 each time, so we would have y equals negative 10x. And then your b is the value you started with, so we'd have plus 120. Now you want to make sure you always tell what x and y represent. So in this case, x would be weeks. And y would be, you could say price, value, anything like that. Now what if, though, in part B there, it dropped by the same percentage as opposed to the same amount? Well, for percentage, we want to think exponential. So that's of our form y equals a times b to the x. So our a value is always the starting amount. So we'll have y equals 120 times something raised to the x. Well, the way we learn to figure out that something is we can do the successive ratio. Then in the successive ratio, we always do y2 divided by y1. So we're going to do our second y value, the 110, divided by the 120. And when we put that in, we get 0.9166, and so on. If it doesn't come out nice, we're going to just do it to the nearest hundredth. So to the nearest hundredth, that would make this 0.92. So we're going to put 0.92 in for our b value. And then just need to tell what x and y represent again. So x again is weeks. And y is price. Okay, so there'll be some other follow-up questions in task 14, but that little bit should allow you to find the equations, and then once you have the equations, the follow-up questions shouldn't be too bad.